Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Crash. Real estate and stock market opportunities. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. This is Los Angeles, California. Yesterday, the cleanest air probably in over 100 years, thanks to the situation that we're in. So that's one of countless benefits of today's circumstances to be grateful for and to take advantage of in a way to help ourselves and help other people. This is the real estate news, how to benefit from a crisis. The LA Loft blog reported and warned last year, be prepared for a crisis. Today, the astute and money-savvy have changed gears and moved into full speed ahead to take advantage of a crashing real estate market and crashing stock market and crashing economy. It's not too late to short stocks and not too late to sell real estate at relatively high prices. Those who must sell in the next 2 years shall likely see the best results by selling immediately. For those who want to wait until the next upcycle to sell, plan on a likelihood of sometime roughly around the year 2028 to see the next major peak in the long-term economic cycle and peak in real estate prices. So who's generating lots of cash today? The short sellers. By today, I mean today, like this last week. Google Trends statistics show that shorting season opened February 2nd of this year. Vast profits are being made by those who are following these investment strategies in March. Short low-quality stocks, short twilight stocks, that's stocks that are going to be dying soon, and short lame duck stocks, that's stocks that are going to be replaced by a different company or a newer technology. One example would be Uber, which is getting ready to be replaced by self-driving cars from Tesla. Real estate opportunities exist in every market condition. Mills Act historic lofts with property tax benefits remain a key investment strategy. Cutting costs by taking advantage of special deals for buyers and sellers is more necessary than ever before. Cut costs, cut overhead, cut spending, cut expenses. Fortune also favors those who sell real estate in the first quarter at the beginning of the real estate recession. For downtown Los Angeles, the best time to sell was spring of 2018. For Phoenix, Arizona, the best time was a year later, spring of 2019. LA is no longer in the peak best time to sell, but I should say especially downtown Los Angeles. All of LA basically is no longer in the peak best time to sell. But the second best time to sell is now, today. Crises beget more crises. In coming months, or possibly several years, sellers can expect a slow, painful cascade of crises. Due to the law of cascading crises, the worst time to sell real estate in downtown Los Angeles will likely be in the next year or two. There's no way to get exact timing, but the LA Loft blog has been the leader of the pack in urban Los Angeles real estate forecasting for the last 10 years. And you could read it. The Loft blog is so powerful and accurate because we've closely watched the investment world for many decades. We carefully listen today, more than ever, to the smartest brains in real estate, the readers of the LA Loft blog. Want to know what others are thinking and doing in LA urban real estate today? Here are the top 24 topics right now. We need to remove this apostrophe S. Hot in downtown Los Angeles real estate today. Mills Act, downtown Los Angeles. Lofts for lease. This right here is just the LA Loft blog. CoreyChambers.com. Lofts for sale. Walnut Building. This is for people who are looking to rent a place. Live Work Lofts, LA versus residential studio apartments. Warehouse Lofts for rent. Here's a link to all of the buildings in downtown Los Angeles. Real estate market versus the everything bubble. So this is what I was just talking about, which is what is the cause of the economy to collapse. And that's what we talked about a year ago. And then today, it's basically this article is what came true over the last couple weeks. And this has been popular as well. China leaves California real estate. So that's the rest you can look at on your own. And so to get those Mills Act historic properties with the property tax benefits, those beautiful historic lofts, just fill out this short form right here. And this is also Los Angeles yesterday, a bridge that is virtually empty because LA is like a ghost town. But it's made my walks with my dog much more pleasant, having fewer, less noise, less craziness, and more clean air. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for taking a look. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks again. You take care. Bye-bye.